Analyzing continuous plays. Sports commentary with present perfect. Continuous. In the fast-paced world of sports, commentators play a crucial role in keeping fans engaged and informed during live games. One key element of sports commentary is the use of present perfect continuous tense to describe ongoing actions during a game. This tense is used to convey the sense of continuous action that has started in the past and is still ongoing in the present moment. Let's take a closer look at how sports commentators use the present perfect continuous tense to provide a dynamic and engaging commentary experience for fans. One common way that sports commentators use the present perfect continuous tense is to describe a player's performance leading up to a particular moment in the game. For example, a commentator might say, "The striker has been creating chances all game long," to highlight the consistent effort and skill of the player throughout the match. This use of the present perfect continuous tense helps to build anticipation and excitement for the audience as they follow the player's progress. Another way that sports commentators use the present perfect continuous tense is to analyze a team's performance over a series of games. For instance, a commentator might say, "The defense has been struggling in recent matches," to point out a pattern of poor performance that has occurred over multiple games. This use of the present perfect continuous tense allows fans to see the bigger picture and understand the team's overall form leading up to the current game. Furthermore, the present perfect continuous tense is often used by sports commentators to describe an ongoing action that has just happened and is still relevant to the game. For example, a commentator might say, "The goalkeeper has been making crucial saves all night," to highlight the importance of the goalkeeper's recent actions in keeping the team in the game. This use of the present perfect continuous tense helps to emphasize the immediate impact of a player's performance on the outcome of the match. In conclusion, sports commentators use the present perfect continuous tense to provide a dynamic and engaging commentary experience for fans. By using this tense to describe ongoing actions, analyze past performances, and highlight recent events, commentators enhance the excitement and drama of live sports broadcasts. Next time you watch a game, pay attention to how commentators use the present perfect continuous tense to bring the action to life.